לאן אתה הולך? רצית את הטלפון.
נכון. Graphics, even Adobe Illustrator files. Just like your drawings, they all land in the media bank. Now, here in the media bank, you can compress video and other files as well, so they can easily stream on the web. Compressing video is a snap. Just choose the clip from the media bank and hit compress button. Now, you can control the amount of compression through the bandwidth scale here. In fact, you can go all the way from a 28.8 all the way up to a T1 line. If you want more control, you can use the data per second scale too. So you have complete control over the quality and speed of your title. Now, we do more than compress video, we also compress bitmaps, and I mean compressed here. We're talking about 400% more than JPEG compression, so that the images come up quickly with the highest resolution possible. Now, you can compress either in Emblaze or other standard image formats while retaining full control over the detail and the quality of your images. And that's exactly what we're doing right here. Now, once everything is organized in the media bank, you can drag any item from the media bank and we can put it on our timeline, which we're going to show you right here. Now, the timeline is where images are laid out and brought to life. Now, you can move your images onto the screen, which is like a motion picture screen that will display both static and moving media. In fact, one may actually liken the screen to an artist's palette. Isn't that right, Ed? Yes, thank you. Now, to create animation, all you have to do is place the image on the screen and then decide how long the sequence should be. Simply click on the Create a Sequence button and your image is transformed to a moving animation. Your titles will also be more exciting with sound effects that we're showing here. Narration and music can also be added with Emblaze Creator 2.5. Now, you can also add video here, and nobody allows video to be incorporated just like this in a fully interactive environment. Now, adding interactivity to any place within our presentation is simple and can be done at 2 levels. Now, level 1 here is menu driven and it's easy to use. Now, it's perfect for creating rollovers, sound effects, point clicks, go-tos, and adding links to other sites as well. Now, what would normally take hours of programming can now be done easily in minutes. Now, interactive level 1 is great for graphic artists, designers, and other non-programming professionals, but there's also a level for a sophisticated programmer, and if you want to add sophisticated multimedia and interactivity, level 2 allows you to program in JavaScript, which means you don't have to learn a special programming language. JavaScript is easily integrated into your title as well. Now, at any time, you can preview all or part of your title. So let's take a look at this and some of the features that make Emblaze Creator internet specific. Now, the bandwidth simulation monitor here allows you to simulate playback of your title over the net at various bandwidths to pinpoint bottlenecks and see how the design will actually appear on your site to visitors. You can then optimize your production based on different data transfer rates, your bandwidth. You can control frames per second and monitor how smoothly your multimedia creation will run. Now, the green here indicates that it's running smoothly. The red points out bottlenecks. You can even add anti-aliasing there to smooth out your lines. Now, finally, you can save your title as both an Emblaze or BLZ file and an HTML file. Drag and drop the file directly into your website and you're ready to go. Now, let's take a quick look at how you can have the title be seen by the rest of the world. Now, to view the entire title in the browser, just paste it in and your website is now fully brimming with multimedia content for everybody to see. In fact, we've done that right here, and let's take a quick peek at this educational title that was created entirely with Creator 2.5. Again, we can hear the audio running. You'll also see the animation that we put together with Creator and the video clip that we placed inside to have all elements. It runs and looks just like a CD-ROM over a 28.8 modem. Creator is the perfect solution for full multimedia productions, but what if all you want to do is add video to your website, or maybe just add audio? Well, in that case, GEO has pioneered 2 additional products that will allow you to do this quickly and affordably. First up, Blaze Video, with its unique ability to compress and convert all popular digital video formats. You can bring streaming video with or without sound to your web pages with no plugins or server applications. Now, the best part about it is the interface. Just 2 buttons. Open and compress, and as you can see, it's pretty easy here. Just click on open, select any AVI or QuickTime file that you have, compress it, and then drop it back on your website. In just 1 minute, you can compress a video file from 6 megs all the way down to 60K. Now, those small video files we have will stream right off your site, and no plugins are required. Now, normally to see video on the web, you've got to have both plugins and server applications to view them, right? Well, not with Blaze Video 1.0. And here we go. We can see the compression ratio. Now, here we've got audio here in Blaze Audio. Now, all you have to do is open any WAV, SMD, or AIFF file, and you're ready to go. Background music for your site, your company jingles, your president's message, or just giving web users directions to your site are just a few examples of how you can enhance broadcast quality sound here. Just like in Blaze Video, all you have to do is open your file and compress it, and drop it back on your website. It's that simple. Now, normally you'd have to spend thousands of dollars and lots of time to install expensive, difficult-to-use server software to get video or audio to run on your site. Well, with the Blaze Video or Audio, you can within minutes achieve better results and only spend about, get this, $295 for each one of these products. Now, in Blaze Audio compresses up to 50 times, and in Blaze Video compresses up to 200 times. We invite you to compare that right back in our booth. Now, all our products are compatible with all the web publishing tools that you're probably already using, so GEO's and Blaze product lineup is a perfect addition to your web publishing library, and each is available for both Mac and PC. Now, our Blaze Creator, which is regularly priced at $995, we're slashing that for Comdex. We're practically giving it away at $495. That's right. You practically can't afford not to get it. So we really encourage you to step back here, see streaming video, audio with no server plugins, no server applications, all coming right off, streaming off your website for everybody to enjoy. All you have to do is step back into our booth here, talk to one of our representatives, and the beautiful bright illustrations will answer any questions for you. Also, if you're in the West Coast area, see Donna about getting a free seminar sponsored by GEO about how you can design your own web page using GEO's products. So, who's going to see a demo? Anybody? Can I get a cheer? Can I get some noise? Can we give it up here? All right, anybody else? Who is? We got 4 wild throws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Folks, have a great Comdex 97. Thanks for your time.